to a regulator, you have to remember what their purpose is, right? We're not talking to a general purpose regulator. There's not a sort of regulatory Sara to whom we're answerable. We are talking to regulators within particular verticals that have a particular remit that they're trying to work with. They're certainly going to be looking to see whether or not the AI that is being used is it provides a sufficient explanation for them to be able to fulfill their remit, whether or not that's in environmental sides or within healthcare, whatever the case may be. And this, I think, addresses one of the challenges that you were bringing up before, which is sort of explainability within use context. And then you have to sort of imagine that it's not only that use context, that space, but also the individual. So if you can kind of see any type of explainability, it's always going to have sort of a substrate to it, or it's already going to have like a J sub I to it. If you look at, though, the difference between what regulators need and what individual people need, we have to remember that there's a massive gulf sometimes between what it is that individuals who have, say, their JD and doctorates and the very educated legal profession and legislative profession that we have in many countries, whether or not the EU, Brazil, or the United States, those are exceptional people that may not have, or that have tremendous access to education, to information that others do not enjoy. And if we have to try to think of a key difference, it's to make sure that the public is given what it is that they need to do things for themselves, and that regulators are given information necessary for them to do things on behalf of the public, right? Not to say